Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. So, this is a patty pan squash. That's what this is. So, if you can hear that rumbling in the background, it's been raining and yeah, not done. Oh no, not done. So, I'm gonna try to get this in this container. So, you may be asking yourself, why am I planting squash in the fall, right? So, here in Zone 9, we have a long growing season with a very mild winter. Look at that knucklehead. With a very mild winter, right? So, I'm thinking, and my nephew Chris over there at Backtile Roots, we are trying to get at least I'm trying to get at least 4 patty pan squash each plant. Now I have 3. So we're going to see what we can do here. So hopefully we could get that because of our mild temperatures and our long growing season, right? So this is what I'm doing, y'all. This is what I'm doing. I have put many of my little seedlings in their permanent beds. I don't know what happened to her, but I'm going to just eliminate her. We ain't going to fight, baby. We ain't going to fight here. No, 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 no fighting. I have a couple of garlics over here. Give me a second. So I have 1 onion bulb in there, but I'm going to drop a garlic in here with her. And I'm going to drop 1 in here with them. Yeah, baby. We're going to see what happens. So this fall garden is really coming together, and I'm doing good. As I said, I have put some of my plants in their permanent beds for this season. Yeah. So this is a patty pan squash. There she is. She has lots of bloom. She has fruits. There's one. There's one. Yeah, she got fruits on her. And so if I don't get anything out of the other, I got you, babe. Babe, I got you. Oh, y'all remember that song? Oh boy. Now here is some greens here I have. And of course this is some basil. This is tatsoi. That is more kohlrabi, red cabbage. That's a lacinato kale over there. And there's more basil over there. But let me share more. So in these cups I dropped a lot of seeds, and a lot of them is up, a lot of them I've taken up, and I've planted them in the beds. So this is my Buttercrunch Lettuce. Yeah, I'll be chomping on this in a minute. So I have some greens over here, but really, a ground cherry. Mama, you gotta go, baby. You gotta go. Maybe I'll put you in a container or something, but you cannot be here, okay? I'm sorry, but you gotta go. You gotta move. Here's some Swiss chard. Yeah. I still have some in cups, but I will be planting everything out this evening when the sun has lost her punch, y'all. So it is in the evenings now, and family, it's still raining out here as we speak. It's raining. So it's not raining that bad. So I'm gonna drop some of these seedlings in their permanent places. Yeah, so we're gonna get it, some of them dropped anyway, right? And so listen, this is a great time to plant your seedlings when it is raining, but you know, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, family. It's not that bad. But I just hope to get some of them in the ground. Um, Many of my seedlings, I have them sitting in the beds, and their roots are going into the garden bed that I have them sitting in. So what they're saying to me is like, I'm ready. I'm ready. Get me out of here. So I'm getting them out. I'm getting them out. So this is my little container I have these plants in. So all of these are not gonna go here. I don't like to have, like, you know, all plants of one variety in one place and don't have them anywhere else. You know, things happen, you know. In my area, things could happen so fast, you know, like we could have a very bad rain where everything floods, or you know, just things happen in life. You know, so you just try to be prepared, right? That's it. So this is a weed. I'm gonna take these and put them in another bed. Yeah, but we have these out, and that's cool. So this is my Black Beauty eggplant. It's just one plant, but she is in the bed with the butterfly pea flowers. So there's a lot of them on here. There's another one. She's pollinated. This one is pollinated. I shared that one. There's 4. But this one, oh, here's 2. This is the one here, but this one here, I'm gonna harvest her today, right now. Let's get her. All right, guys, give me a second. So this is my Miss Rosa Bianca, and she has some fruit on her. She had this one, and that one right there, it's pollinated. But we are going to take this one. Here she is right there, y'all. Let's get her off. So there's my egg. Oops, sorry about that, y'all. There is my eggplants, the Black Beauty, and the Rosa Bianca. Yay. All right. Let's see what's going on out here now. Having a productive garden and keeping a garden alive, especially when you're talking about year-round gardening, it takes work, and your garden needs more than just water and sunlight. A plant disease in your garden can wipe out your garden. Yes, and that is very frustrating. Not only for newbies, but for seasoned gardeners as myself. Yeah. When purchasing your seedlings, be safe, family. Keep your plants in a quarantine just for a little while, just to make sure these plants have all been together, right? So do your homework on when to keep your garden safe. Now, this is my Egyptian spinach, and I'm harvesting some of this. I'm going to put this in the freezer, but we're going to use this later. But I want Jada to know more than just gardening. I want her to know how to prepare foods from the garden, not just like my grandmama used to cook. I want her to learn new ways of doing things too. So here we are in the kitchen. Check it out. Hey everyone, so this is Jada after school meal. So you want to tell them what you're eating, Jada?
Well, first, hey everybody. So, today I'm eating barbecue shrimp. By the way, I made this. Barbecue shrimp.
Yeah, she cooked it.
Barbecue shrimp and mixed vegetables. And the mixed vegetables have green beans, peas, corn, and carrots.
Yay! So that's her after school meal. She just wanted to share it. All right?
Alright.
Say later to everybody.
Later, y'all. I'm going to go enjoy my meal.
Oh, yeah. All right, family. So, sorry, I need a spoon for this. Okay. So, today I want to share with you how I make mayonnaise. Well, it's been a long time since I purchased mayonnaise, since I learned how to do this. So, 1 egg, family. Now, you know, if you're going to make a lot more, oh wow, dropped the shell. If you're going to make more, then you can use 2 eggs, right? But this is just a small amount I'm going to make today. Now, most people use salt in here, but I'm not big on salt, so I'm going to use, this is lemon pepper that I made. This is just lemon powder and pepper. I made this myself, so I'm just going to put a little in there just to give it a little, right? That's to take away the salt, but usually salt would go there. Now, whatever oil you like, this is just some extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, any oil you like, okay? But we're going to use this oil right here, okay? So this is probably maybe a ½ cup of oil, maybe just a ½ cup of oil. I'll put it in there like that, okay? So that's the way it looks. And you get your little immersion blender, set it in there, and then spin. All right? And this is where the magic happens. Here we go. Here's your mayonnaise. Huh? That's your mayonnaise. Now, it could be a little thicker. Maybe I just put just a tad bit more oil, right? More oil than is needed, but yeah, that's it. That's your mayonnaise. And it tastes, yeah. It's mayonnaise, y'all. It's mayonnaise. That's how you make mayonnaise. Olive oil, an egg, and your immersion blender. And there she is. So yeah, Jada loved cooking, so after school every day, she will cook her own meal. So now Monday, she is participating in Meatless Monday, so no, we will be having eggplants. We will share it, okay? But also on Tuesday, we will be having yakami. Yeah, baby, we're going to have yakami, and we're going to have it with beef. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See you all later.